Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we will do reading of block 3. So this is your content book. Take out volume number 1. Open page number 16. Okay students. Okay, today we will start our reading from point number 12. But before starting, let's revise our last class. In last class, we studied about house. So, what is a house? House is a place where we live. House protect us from sun, rain, cold, animal and the people who can harm us. Same way, clothes also protect us. So let's start our reading. And double E D need. FOR for. CLOTHES clothes. Need for clothes. Okay students, why we need clothes? हमें clothes क्यों चाहिए? Yes, clothes cover the body. Clothes cover our body. And clothes protect us from insects. And even clothes protect us from sun, rain, cold. Okay students, so this is the reason we need for clothes. WEAR wear, we wear. CLOTHES clothes, we wear clothes. To PROTECT protect, we wear clothes to protect us from from the COLD cold, HEAT heat, and RAIN rain. We wear clothes to protect us from cold, heat and rain. Just like our house do, our clothes also protect us from cold, heat and rain. ALSO also. COVER cover, we also cover. OURSELVES, we also cover ourselves with. WITH with. CLOTHES clothes, we also cover ourselves with clothes. THERE there. ARER DIFFERENT different. KINDS kinds of. CLOTHES clothes. FOR for US us to wear every day. Students, there are different kinds of clothes for us to wear every day because clothes cover our body. In the earlier time, पहले पुराने टाइम में लोग किससे कवर करते थे अपनी बॉडी को? लीव्स से. एंड नाउ वी cover our body with clothes. There are different kind of clothes to wear every day. Like in summers we wear cotton clothes. And in winter we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm, so we wear in winter season. Okay students, so why we need clothes? Clothes cover our body, clothes protect us from sun, rain, cold and clothes protect us from insects. And there are different kinds of clothes for us to wear every day. Like in summer we wear cotton clothes and in winter we wear woolen clothes. Okay student, this is a picture. In this picture there are different clothes are shown. See, dresses and skirts. Dress, skirts, kurta pajama. Some person wear kurta pajama, some wear sari. Trouser and jeans, shorts, jeans, trouser. Sleeping dresses like pajama, night suit, dressing gown. And shirts and t-shirts, shirt, top, sweatshirt and cardigan we wear in winter season because it protects us from cold. T-shirt, blouse, Coats and jacket. Coat, fur coat and winter coat we wear in winter season, so they protect us from cold. And raincoat, we wear raincoat in rainy season. Okay student, nowadays there is a rainy season, we wear raincoat when we are going out of our house, and raincoat protect us from rain. Okay students, so these are some types of clothes which we wear in different seasons. Okay, so read this paragraph at your home and we will meet in the next class. Okay students, bye, take care.